The Naviate Accelerate Quick Print and Quick PDF Export features allow you to quickly print or export to PDF sheets and views. The Quick Print and Quick PDF Export features are located within the Print Export group of Naviate Accelerate. They're in the same dropdown where I can select either Quick Print or select the dropdown to switch to Quick PDF Export. Let's first look at the Quick Print user interface. Quick Print allows you to select your printer type. I don't have any physical printers, but I will select my Bluebeam printer. We can then select settings, and these are the same settings that are located within the Revit print dialog box, and you can modify or edit these settings in the Revit print dialog. You can then select to use the paper size from the title block, or if you would like to use A3, you can scale all prints to A3, which will set all A0 prints to 50% on A3 sheets. You can then specify the folder location. You can either choose to export all views or sheets as individual PDFs or combine them into one single PDF. By checking on to create a single file, you won't have the ability to modify the naming convention. But if you have this unchecked to create individual PDFs, we can then specify a file name. I can either choose from any of these predefined file names, or by selecting Use Naming, I can create a new file naming. I can then choose which parameters I want for the file naming, and use these arrows to create a concatenation of the different sheet parameters. I can add a prefix or a suffix, and then when I have my file name set up, I can click OK. Then simply hit print, and it'll print all of your selected sheets or views. Let's now look at the Quick PDF Export. The Quick PDF Export allows you to choose from any Quick PDF Export Revit settings. These are the settings that you've set up in Revit out-of-the-box PDF export function, and you can modify or create more settings in Revit's out-of-the-box function. You can then choose a file name and a location. Then at the bottom, you'll be able to see which sheets or views have been selected for export. You have three options for selecting sheets for export. Either it will export the active view or sheet. So here I have my ground floor sheet open, and when I click on either Quick PDF or Quick Print, I can then see that that active viewer sheet is selected for export. The second option is to pre-select views or sheets in the project browser. Here I can do a shift select and select which sheets or views I want exported. And then I can come to my feature and see that those views or sheets are selected for export. The last option is to use a Revit schedule. I can either use a view list or sheet list schedule to specify which sheets I want exported, and it will include all sheets visible in the schedule. Again, I can then go to Quick PDF or Quick Print and see that all of those sheets that are listed in my schedule are in the list to be exported. And that is everything you need to know about the Quick Print and Quick PDF Export features.